Ladies, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with 8.9 part 2. This is the last video for chapter 8 on linear functions. I appreciate all the hard work you've put in. I know that you have, and I really appreciate your feedback that you've been giving on these video logs. Make sure the video logs are with you so that you can take your test. Let's see. The graphs of a linear inequality in two variables is set points. Okay, so if we're looking at this, we have that 2x minus 3y is less than 6. So all the solutions for 2x minus 3y is less than 6 lie on one side of the boundary line. And we call this, make it a little pen. This is known as the boundary line. Now, why is this a dashed line? Who can remember why it is a dashed? That's right. If you go back to the notes you just took, it's because it's a less than sign. What would this have to look like to be a solid line? It would need the solid line under it. It would need to say less than or equal to for this to be a solid line. What that means is up to this line, everything is a possible answer, but not necessarily is not anything on that line. So up to, but not including. So let's see. If it says we're talking it into two halves of the plane, the shaded half of the plane is the graph. So everything that's shaded is a possible solution. Something down here would not be a solution. So I should be able to pick any point. I should be able to pick 1, 1, plug it in, and then it would be true. So if I did, I would get 2 times 1 minus 3 times 1, whoops, not 31, should still be less than 6. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so 2 minus 3 gives me negative 1. Negative 1, in fact, is less than 6. So this is true. I'm going to pick a different color, and I'm going to pick red, because we always think of red as the, what's wrong, got something wrong, it's a mistake. What if I came down here and picked, oh, I want something easy. Can I get, okay, so let's pick 2, negative 1. So I'm saying 2, negative 1. If I plug that in, I get 2, if I can make it 2, times 2 minus 3 times negative 1 is going to be less than 6. So let's see, 4, and this is 3 times 1, so that is going to be a positive, because it's negative times a negative 3, less than 6. Well, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is not less than 6. So we can tell that this is not the section. So if you get confused and you go, I can't remember, oh, I don't know, is this up, is this down? Because sometimes these lines are very difficult to tell because they're almost vertical. Pick a point on each side, check it, see which side you need to shade. Don't stress yourself out. You know how to do these things. You just pick a point and check. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is everything I just said. It's talking about the solid line for greater than and equal to, less than and equal to, dash lines for less than or greater than. It's talking about how to determine by picking points if you're unsure, if you don't remember for greater than, you shade up, or if you're not sure which is up because the line is so close to vertical, pick a point and test. And then you'll know if that point works, that's the point you shade. That is the end of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a great spring break. Remember, we do have some work to do over spring break, so make sure you're checking for those videos. It will be on chapter 9, and when you come back on that following Monday, we will have a test for chapter 9.